Alright, I was doing a quick review of the rear wire harness that I just put in. Um, so for starters, it starts underneath the dash here. It's right here. So we've got the door light switch. And it goes in, tucks inside, kick panel and up. And then here is the courtesy light switch. Plugs into there, loops around the hoop here. And then we've got some clips on top of the dash here, and that runs all along. Got another clip here. And another one here. And it goes down. Comes down to plug, which is right here, and then the other courtesy light here. So that plugs into the wire harness. So this wire here is the original one, the courtesy lights, and then here's the new plug, and the rest of the harness comes along, and then the first clips right into here. There's a hole right here and a clip in the harness, and then from there it goes down here, comes down, okay, and then here's your other wire for the other door light switch, okay, comes down, got a metal clip that just bends out, comes down, another one here, and runs all along the floor, and then all your related tabs that fold down, and then up to the rear driver's side wall. Right, and then it gets tucked in the corner there, and then goes in the back. And it comes out there, and then that plug there is for the dome light. I'll put that in later. Comes up, comes down, and then my old video, this wire doesn't have for some reason, but I know that there's a clip right here. I have an old video telling me there was a clip, so I'll have to find it. I don't know where it is. And then it runs down, and then we've got tail light, brake light, blinker lights and stuff, and then we've got the gas tank and license plate light. And then the other light for, I have to get it for the trunk light, and it just keeps going. So I'll clip these up later, and they're just in place for now. But again, this is the Restoration American Auto Wire kit. So it's kind of a plug and play, which is awesome. And that's it.